Hello guys, how's it going? It was a pleasant morning until I heard the news, and then I became like this. Don't ask me why, just see it for yourself. I reached 100 subscribers. That's a big accomplishment that I've done until now. Thank you guys for 100 subs. I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate the 100 subs. It is not my work, it is thanks to you that I got to this position. I'm so happy that we reached the milestone and we're gonna celebrate it. Don't ask me how. I'm gonna say something to you guys. To my every video, you guys keep liking, viewing, and disliking. Some people are disliking, and so I want to ask a favor, very little bit of a favor. Please, before you put a dislike, tell me what I did wrong in the comments below. And yeah, getting to the 100 subscribers, it's all thanks to you. And I'm not quitting now. I'm going more for more. And coming to the present position, I heard something pretty awesome. And then I was more shocked and I became like a monkey who got shocked. Like this. Oh my god. Yes. And I waited for many hours. Well, what do you think? I'm about to get my own play button for 100 subscribers. It's about to reach here at any moment. So guys, it seems that it's finally here. We're gonna unbox it. Are you ready? I am ready. Well, here's what it says. Congratulations, you got 100 subscribers. But no one cares. Now go use this as your toilet paper. Well, that looked pretty much like the actual YouTube play buttons, but a little bit shittier. When I thought of it, I remembered the iPhone 7 produced by Pineapple.
Pineapple. Think a little shittier.
Oh well, I took it seriously. He said that I should use that as my toilet paper. Then I'm ready. I'm gonna do it. Okay, well, then that's that. Okay guys, see you, goodbye. Thanks for the 100 subscribers. Smash the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more. Goodbye.